Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl k.doll. If you're new to my channel, thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below, and if you're a returning subscriber, obviously welcome back to another video. So for today's video, I'm going to be doing a hair tutorial and I'm going to show you how to install a deep wave frontal wig. So for this video, I'm going to be using a frontal wig sent to me by Ishow hair. So they sent me the 24 inches deep wave frontal. So throughout this video, I'm going to show you the initial packaging of the hair, what it looks like, how I installed it, and my makeup on camera for you guys. So I do hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you want to see more tutorials and if you enjoyed this, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. Follow me on my socials, they'll be in the description box down below. And except from that, I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys. hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like, share, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.